Welcome to the iBankers. Today, we are delving into a crucial topic for entrepreneurs, understanding business valuation. Whether you're seeking investment, planning for an exit, or simply want to know the value of your company, mastering business valuation is essential. So, let's dive in. Understanding business valuation, how to determine the worth of your company. Business valuation is the process of determining the economic value of a company. It's a complex task that requires analyzing various factors and employing different methods. Today, we'll explore three primary approaches to business valuation: the income approach, the market approach, and the asset-based approach. The first method we'll discuss is the income approach. Host: the income approach calculates the value of a business based on its ability to generate future income. This method is often used for established businesses with predictable cash flows. Entrepreneurs can use techniques like discounted cash flow, DCF, analysis, or capitalization of earnings to estimate the present value of future cash flows. The next method is the market approach. Host: the market approach determines the value of a business by comparing it to similar companies that have been sold or are publicly traded. Entrepreneurs can use valuation multiples such as price-to-earnings (PE) ratio, price-to-sales (PS) ratio, or enterprise value-to-EBITDA (EV/EBITDA) ratio to benchmark their company against industry peers. The final method is the asset-based approach. The asset-based approach values a company based on the assets it owns, minus its liabilities. This method is often used for asset-heavy businesses such as manufacturing or real estate. Entrepreneurs can use techniques like the adjusted net asset value (ANAV) method or the liquidation value method to assess their company's worth. Each valuation method has its strengths and limitations, and the most appropriate approach will depend on factors such as the nature of the business, industry dynamics, and the purpose of the valuation. By understanding these valuation methods, entrepreneurs can make informed decisions about their businesses, whether it's attracting investors, negotiating mergers and acquisitions, or planning for the future. And there you have it, business valuation demystified. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on entrepreneurship and business finance. Until next time.